In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix media compatibility and re-encode in PowerPoint. If your videos don't play, audio is missing, or playback is choppy, this workflow will help you identify issues and have PowerPoint fix them for you. Start by opening your presentation and heading to the File tab. In the Info section, look for the option called Check Compatibility. Click it to let PowerPoint scan your deck for media issues. This quick check flags things like unsupported formats, older encodings, or missing files. It's helpful to take note of what PowerPoint reports so you know what's being addressed. Next, while you're still on the Info screen, select Optimize Media Compatibility. This is the built-in tool that re-encodes your audio and video into formats that PowerPoint can reliably play across different computers. You don't need to choose settings. PowerPoint handles the conversions automatically behind the scenes, typically targeting modern, widely supported standards. Once you start optimization, let the process run to completion. You'll see a progress window, and the time can vary based on the number and size of media files in your presentation. Avoid closing PowerPoint or putting your computer to sleep while this is happening. If you're on a laptop, keep it plugged in and just let it finish. When the optimization completes, save your file right away to lock in the new media format. This ensures the re-encoded files are embedded and ready for playback the next time you open the presentation. If you want to keep an untouched version for reference, consider using Save As to create a copy, but make sure the optimized version is the one you plan to present. Now it's time to test. Press F5 to start the slideshow and navigate to every slide that contains video or audio. Click play and watch each clip for smooth playback. Verify that audio is audible and synced, and ensure any animations or timing still work as expected. Testing within the slideshow view is important because it mirrors how the media will run during a real presentation. If issues persist after optimization, remove the problem media from the slide and reinsert it using MP4 video encoded with H.264 for video and AAC for audio. This combination is broadly compatible with PowerPoint and Windows. Converting your source files to that format before importing them usually resolves stubborn playback problems. Follow these steps and you'll have a presentation that plays cleanly, looks professional, and is ready for any room or device.